Welcome to Zoom Me SCV. I'm Connor McIver, otherwise known as Connor with Honor. You might remember me from such video shorts as Not Without My Real Estate and Walking the Long Line of Real Estate. I come to you today to give you an education of sorts to talk about ZoomMeSCV.com. I run into a lot of people that don't really know what the best first steps to take depending on a given market in real estate. So what I do is I built this particular very simple system that will educate you whether you're a real estate buyer, a first-time buyer, a veteran buyer, and of course any other kind of buyer. If you're looking to sell real estate, how that market looks like, what's the best things to be able to set up so you get your best deals, and of course if you're investing in real estate as well. Now where I cover, I'm actually in the Santa Clarita Valley, but it's applicable to anywhere that you're wanting to purchase real estate. We go over the current trends in the market, how you can best take your optimum advantage when it comes to making offers, getting your lender's approval, all of these sorts of things that have to be packaged neatly if you really want to perform at the highest level within real estate. Now, if you're a first-time buyer, you've never done this before, that conversation will be about that. It will be about the present market where you want to buy and giving you all the ammunition you need to be able to make the best shot placement when it comes to real estate. And forgive the analogies when it comes to shooting. I was a Los Angeles police officer for a very long time, and I've been selling real estate since 1998. So this has really become a drive in my craft. I do want people to be protected as I used to protect them in the city of Los Angeles on the streets. And I also want people to be secure in their investment, whatever that happens to be, whether it's selling something, buying something, or whatever they happen to want to do at the time. When I have these meetings with you, it will be on Zoom. You don't have to have your camera on. You can have your camera on. I don't care. I don't need to see anybody. But the fact of the matter is, I do need to hear your voice. So what we'll do is we'll get what you want to do, and then we'll start pulling it apart so you can get your best advantage of any market. Of course, there is no obligation with this. I'm not asking you to sign on any line which is dotted. This is merely an educational platform to help you make the best real estate decisions. It is free, no obligation, and I'm Connor with Honor. When you're ready to sell or buy, if you're just thinking about it, wanting to kick the tires, maybe you want to go rent something, you want to find out the best way to do that, again, a great resource for you. I would love to introduce myself to you personally. When you're ready, please reach out. Again, ZoomMeSCV.com. I'm Connor with Honor, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.